This program is rated SPG.
Sahal, Patindol, and Sang.
R1, Lloyd here. Did you know the first electronic computer was built in the 1940s and the 1950s?
Being completed by 1942, the Atanasoff Berry Computer, or ABC, was the first electronic computer. It was designed and built by John Vincent Atanasoff together with Clifford E. Barry. At the time, Atanasoff was teaching physics and Barry was a graduate student in electrical engineering. They worked on the computer from 1939 until 1942. The ABC was a specific use computer designed to solve systems of linear algebraic equations and was capable of solving systems with up to 29 unknowns. The ideas behind the ABC were later used in the construction of ENIAC. ENIAC, or the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, is amongst the earliest electronic general-purpose computers. It was Turing-complete, digital, and able to solve a large class of numerical problems through their programming.
That is the foundation of the modern computer. A modern computer is made up of a hardware and a software. Let's talk about hardware. A hardware is basically a physical body of the computer and is composed of, namely, a mouse, keyboard, a computer case, and a monitor.
R1, Lee here. Now, let's talk about the evolution of the internet. Did you know that the first internet was released on 1960 and it was named ARPANET and it is used by the US Department of Defense? But unfortunately, it was replaced by the World Wide Web on 1992. And the first browser is the Mosaic and it was released on 1993. So, in order to connect in the internet, just need an internet connection. Second is telecommunication software, and the third is the browser for the web. That's all.
R1, Edmar here. In the future, the computers will be less expensive, more powerful, more people will work from home, wireless device will be commonplace.
Oh, hi guys, didn't see you there. So, the number system is composed of binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. That's it for today. Bye-bye!
So hey guys, now we're gonna try to explain what is a word processor means.
So, a word processor. A word processor is a common application for a computer. You can make any documents, especially text, stories, novels, reflections, anything you want. It is helpful for students like us who's making this video. So a word processor has many options. You can choose to put tables, put any visual representations of your documents such as pictures, or you can also change how it looks. So changing the font style, the font size, the format, the indentions of each spaces between end to end of the bond paper. So yeah, that's it. That's a common or the basic explanation for a word processor.
So, that is a word processor. Thank you, Mr. Lloyd Sahol.
Rock and roll to the
Rock
world.
and roll. So, next is the presentation. Lloyd?
So Lee, what do you think presentation is?
From the word presentation, it is about presenting anything.
So
You
presenting
can explain
anything.
it.
Presentation, from the word presentation, is actually presenting any topic you want in a form of slideshow. Lee, any idea how to make a presentation?
So now, tips on making presentation. So I have here a list of tips. So first, your slideshow or your presentation must be simple. Second, use phrases and not sentences. Third is keep your slides uncluttered. Fourth is be consistent. Fifth is you should project an image. And six, you should organize the information. 7 is you should use color wisely. And the last tip is you should create high contrast between the background and the text. So that's all. Thank you.
Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a computerized table of vertical columns labeled with letters and horizontal rows labeled with numbers, with each particular point in the actual table called cell. For example, cell B3. Okay, now let's create a simple spreadsheet. First, we need to choose a cell. Let's go with cell A1. I'm going to enter a text label which is HQ Supplies Order. Next, I'm gonna put some labels which is item, price, and quantity. I'll be right back. I'm just going to finish this table. And I'm back! So I put some HQ Supplies order with respective prices and quantity. So yeah, as you can see, there is some basic formatting data in spreadsheet. So you can see here that the phrases gallon of water and stock of rice are cut because of its length. You can adjust it right here in order to fit and read its label. Drag the cursor and voila, it fits right in. Next up, I'm gonna put another label which is total in D3. So, to get the total prices of each item, first we need to put an equal sign in order to create formula. Then type B4 or simply click the cell B4 under the label price and then multiply it by its quantity, which is in C4, then press enter. For example, you have a very long list of items. You're not just keep on typing the formula in each cell, it will take so much of your time. I have a solution for that. To copy the formula, we put it in each cell under the label of total. Go to cell D4. You can see there's a small black square in the bottom right. Drag it down and there you go. You have the total of each item.
So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you learned something. If you want to subscribe, just click here.